Hello guys, so I want to show you the best way to boost your Facebook page. I want to show you the best way to promote your Facebook page, the way you can build a kind of audience. Click on advertise, click on advertise first, then wait for it to load. When it loads, click on create new ad, create new ad. Yes, allow it to load. Then after loading, it brings you exactly here. So what you want to do, first of all, select get more page followers. That's very important because it's your page you want to promote, get more page followers. Yes, that's it. Okay. Once you do that, what do you do next? Go up. Let's go and work on the add image. Just click on edit. That button, there's edit button. So it will load and bring you here. This is the description of your page that you have added. If your page doesn't have description, you will not see this. You need to edit this. Let's say what is here is not exactly what you want to show. You can edit it, okay? Wipe everything in here out, wipe everything out here, and just type something very catchy, okay? Something that people will like, but be careful the words you use here. Facebook may not approve your ad if you don't use good words. So let's say we'll type something like this. Okay, let's just type something. Okay, yeah, more reason why you should know more about this page. Okay, after doing that, that's a sample you can use. Like sample, I'm not saying you should use exactly this. After that, now go up, you will see that the text has changed. Okay, but we are still having the same image. We can change the image now. Use a post. Let's use one of our posts as the add image, okay, as a display image for the picture. Just select any of your videos. You can select any of your video of your choice. That's your post. Select your post. Okay, wait for it to load. You will see it has appeared. Now look at it. It appears, but it doesn't, it's not appearing as a video. It is just a static image, just like a picture. I'm sure this is not exactly what you want. That this is the reason why I'm teaching you this video. This is why I'm making this video. Let me show you the best way to do it. You need to edit media. Edit media. That's the best. Click on edit media. Allow it to load. After loading, it brings you here. What are you doing here now? You need to select page images. Click on the drop down menu to select page videos. That's what we're looking for. Page video. Yes, that's what you need. Page videos. Here are the videos on your page. You know, these are your videos that you have posted live on your page. What you need here is to select one of your videos that you have used on your page. Select just one video, any of them, any of your choice, any video of your choice you feel you want your audience to see. It's better for you to select your video that you think will do well, that is rateable, that can attract people. Then click done. Okay, once you selected the video, click on done, and it will load. Wait for it to load. After loading, you are here. It's not completely loading. Okay,
Feel
let's
like
wait.
okay,
Okay, look at it. You will see the video will start playing. It will start playing. This is the best way. The video will be playing, meaning that those who will follow you now will follow you based on your content. They will see your content. Facebook will push the adverts, okay? Then they will see your content. They will watch the video, like the video. Then they will follow you. Okay, that's the best. Now let's go down. What's the next important thing we need to do? Yes, go down, go down, go down. Okay. What's the next thing? As you go down now, you will see that the action button has been selected. Okay, is follow. Okay, that's what you're getting. Very important. What's the next thing? Audience. I've explained audience in my last video. Okay, you can watch my last video for audience targeting and all those things. Now you'll see for Facebook promotion, it will only highlight Facebook. For page promotion, it will only highlight Facebook. Instagram and Messenger will not be there. You can check my last video for this thing. I said it. Okay, if you're doing video promotion, everything will show. After that, select your budget. What's your budget for this thing? How many for this particular campaign? How many days do you want it to run? 5 days, 3 days, 1 day? You select that. You adjust it. It's in my last video. You can check. After that, you add fund. Then you click on promote now. Your advert will start running. Okay, if you don't have enough fund, if you click on promote now, it is going to take you to add fund. Just add fund. After adding fund, the thing will promote. Facebook, it will be on the queue. Facebook will review it, and your ad will be live. And those who watch your video will follow you. Okay, they will see your advert, watch your video, see your content. They will follow you based on the kind of content you have, not them following you randomly. Okay, you are in doing this, you're getting two things at the same time. You're promoting your content, at the same time you're promoting your page, getting followers. Is that not the best? Like, if you like this video, please like and share this video.